Meaning of fringed.
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 Fringed. The term fringed refers to something that has decorative or ornamental threads or strands hanging from it. These threads or strands usually have a distinct pattern or design and are attached to the edge of an object or surface. When an object is fringed, it can add a sense of style, texture, and visual interest to the overall appearance of the item. Fringing can be found on various items, like clothing, curtains, blankets, and even accessories such as bags or shoes. The use of fringing is a popular decorative technique, especially in fashion and interior design.